Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Bad day today, as you can see. Yes, the clutch cable gave up. So now I'm trying to change it and I'll try to make a quick short video of the same. I had one clutch cable purchased last year just as a spare, and all you need is 12 number spanners. Might be little tricky because of the Zana crash guard. Once you loosen it enough so that it moves freely like that, pull this cable so that the wire part comes out of that hook over there. Put it out and get it out. See this here as well, right? So you unhinge this from here. The cable is out. One hook here, as you can see, and then it is hooked up here and it is loose, so you just need to pull it out. Make sure you remove these. There you go. That's the broken part. So pull out the wire completely. This end where you have this rubber thing will go towards the engine and this towards the lever. Here the wire has been taken through. This is what had given up.